Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to remove or forget a Wi-Fi network on your Apple Mac computer. This is something that most people never go through and clean up, but think about how many different hotspots that we connect to nowadays. And each time that you do, it's stored in the network history. This also becomes annoying when you keep connecting to a network that you no longer want to connect to. To get started, open System Preferences. In here, choose Network. While you have Wi-Fi selected on the left, choose Advanced on the lower right. You will then see all of the networks that you have saved in your Wi-Fi network history. Now that I'm looking at this, I realize that I should probably go through mine more often. To delete one, just simply select it and hit the minus button underneath. Hit remove when prompted. Another nice feature here is, maybe you don't want to completely remove a network, but there might be more than one Wi-Fi network available in the same place. An example might be your home router, but you also have a jetpack or a hotspot on your phone. If this is the case, you can easily click and drag the networks in the preferred order of connection. That way, your computer will always try to connect to the one that you want first. And that's how you remove and reorder Wi-Fi networks on your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.